If you need a better understanding about plumbing, drainage, vents, we have prepared 8 videos. This will come with the digital book. Hear what you expect to learn. Video number 1. Plumber's Toolbox. Power tools. Types of pipe. Video number 2. Fittings. Valves and devices. Video number 3. Fixtures. Faucets and drain assemblies. Blueprint reading and drafting. Installation layout. Video number 4. Water service installation. Water distribution installation. Video number 5, 6, and 7. Drainage waste and vent segments and sizing. Drainage waste and vent installation. Fixture and equipment installation. Video number 8. Toilet repairs and troubleshooting. After getting the videos and digital book, you can study on the comfort of your home. If you need tutoring for particular topics, please book. This will be online as well. For more information, please contact 4372481294.